Okay, this is an introduction to PHP. Now, PHP was originally called Personal Homepage Tools, and this is a very popular server-side scripting technology. It's open source, and it's also platform independent. So let's look at the very basics of PHP. Okay, now PHP code, when you view it, looks like code that's embedded within HTML code, except the name of the file is something.php. The PHP code has to be within these scripting delimiters, the angle bracket question mark, PHP question mark angle bracket. And we'll look at an example in just a second. Variables always begin with the dollar symbol. They are case sensitive, similar to JavaScripting, so you need to be careful about that. And you end statements with semicolons. Comments are also similar to other programming languages. For a single line of comment, you have 2 forward slashes, and for multi-line comments, you have /**/ /*/. And like I mentioned before, file names end with .php. Now let's take a look at this very simple example. So here we have some PHP code at the top, and we are declaring, and like I mentioned before, we have these scripting delimiters. This is the beginning and this is the end. So we declare a variable called $name, and we are assigning the value lunatic to it. Again, of course, here we have a comment, a single line comment. From this point on, it looks like regular HTML until we get to this point down here. So here, what we have is, we have welcome to PHP. It's all part of your HTML. But then here's where the PHP code begins. So you're beginning question mark PHP, and then you say print. Print is similar to a JavaScripting document.write. So in this case, you just say print, and you print $name. And notice that the variable is within quotation marks. However, what will be printed will be the actual value stored within $name, which in this case is lunatic. And so your output would look like this that you see here. This is the screenshot. So this is a very, very basic introduction to PHP.